Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add bank account in Bybit. For that, launch your Bybit mobile application. Then on the home page, tap on the P2P trading option. If you are not able to find it on the home page, then first tap on more, and in the services you can even search for P2P. Now once you are in the P2P trading section, you just have to simply tap on the three dots that would be in the top right hand corner of the screen. After that, select the user center option. Over here you will be able to see the payment method option, so you need to tap on payment method, and after waiting for some time it will ask you to add a payment method. So here you need to tap on add now, and it will redirect you on the next page where you can select your desirable payment method. It can be UPI or it can be your bank account. So you just have to provide your banking details and add your bank account into it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.